Hello folks, welcome back to Collecting Cars, and today we're shooting somewhere that needs no introduction. We're at Thornton Hundred Motorcycles and we're shooting founder Jody Millhouse's personal Triumph Bobber. This thing is insane. It is supercharged, it is nitrous injected, it is quite simply the fastest bobber in the world. The bike we've come to shoot today is the pet project of rising custom and accessory outfitter Thornton Hundred. Based just 5 miles from Silverstone in the heart of Buckinghamshire and headed by Jody Millhouse and his brother, they specialise in bespoke, customised Triumph bobbers and scramblers and have made waves in the custom scene for picking up a few celebrity clients such as Joe, the body coach Wicks, and numerous international rugby players. It is founder Jody's personal build and has every single lever imaginable dialed up to the max. Right, enough waffling from me. I'm going to hand over to founder Jody to talk us through the build and take us around the bike.
Hi guys, welcome to Thornton Hundred Motorcycles Workshop. My name's Jody and I started Thornton Hundred 5 years ago now. I started in a shipping container and now we're in our 3rd unit and we're just about to move into our newest unit, but there'll be more news on that later on. I'm sure these guys will cover it. So we have my motorcycle right here, which is one of the bikes that I built last year in lockdown, and it is a Triumph Bonneville Bobber, a 2020 model that I built pretty much as a marketing tool, just to kind of see what I could do as myself as an engineer, and also what we could do for Thornton Hundred to kind of show people and show off our skills and what we can do. So we have, like I say, a 2020 Triumph Bonneville Bobber that I've got a V4 wide wheel kit on. So this is one of the kits that I've developed. So what we do is we make the front end wide, we put wide hubs in it, wide rims, wide tyres, so we have 180 tyre front and rear as well. So I'm just going to run you through the bike, starting from the front, and we'll go all the way through to the back and show you exactly what makes this bike so special. So starting right at the front here, we have our complete custom billet wide hubs. So they literally start from one big block of aluminium and then we machine it all out. We have custom discs which are made by EBC. We designed these together and they look really cool with a wavy design as well. So we have complete billet mount for the mudguard at the front here as well, and a complete billet center mudguard. We have custom O-lins which are made just for us by BG Motorsport at Silverstone, completely custom valved and springed. So we have the standard Triumph Bonneville Bobber headlight, which is really cool, and it's got really cool DRL in it, so I kept that. So we have our wide custom yokes, again a billet aluminium piece which is machined completely from scratch for us, and then we have all of these custom controls here. So we have a dash at the front here. Now if you come and zoom in on the dash and get your lighting right, you'll be able to see our loading screen, and then within here we have a complete custom dash. So we have all of our vital signs, so our oil pressure, coolant temp, we have boost, fuel levels and everything as well, and we're able to arm the NOS from the front here. So we also have all of the diagnostics, so RPM, lambda, charge temp, coolant temp, battery, blah blah blah. We have a completely electronic control unit of all of the power as well. So we have so much control within the dash here. We're completely custom ECU and a standalone dash that works really well as well. So all of the loom is completely custom. We have Deutsch connectors all the way throughout, double sealed connectors, full motorsport grade, really reliable and robust. So moving back, we have the Image Design custom paint. This is done completely custom for us by Image Design Custom, and those guys are so good as well. So round this side, we have the supercharger. So this is a Rotrex C15 supercharged unit, and this is again a completely custom billet housing which houses all of that. So this is run off the end of the crankshaft as well, and then it runs through the front into an intercooler, round all the way through the boost pipes and then into a plenum which runs around here and then into the bike. Now that supercharger alone is able to boost this from at the wheel. They start around 65 horsepower from the factory, and that is running 165 horsepower at the rear wheel. Now we have loads and loads of custom bits in the middle here. It's all to do with electronics. So we have a custom billet catch can, breathers, all that kind of good stuff, and big ignition coils at the side there as well, hanging off the side. Just thought it looked really cool with those hanging out there. So we have, again, all the nitrous solenoids, a custom Fox shock, and then all of the under seat unit, which is our custom extended seat base here as well. So we have extra leg room, and we have all of our controls at the back here. So the indicators are all in the side there, and then we have the bar end indicators here as well. So at the back, the elephant in the room, these big nitrous bottles. So these things take this bike from 165 horsepower at the rear wheel to 202 horsepower at the rear wheel and 170 foot-pound of torque, which make this bike an absolute monster, a supercar and superbike killer And the best thing about it is it just doesn't look like it would do that, but it absolutely will. On the drag strip, this thing is an absolute monster. So again, moving back, we have the custom disc from EBC. We have our billet hubs and then laced to 5-inch wide by 17-inch diameter XL rims. And then we have the Michelin rubber as well. These things keep me super planted to the floor. And then we have a billet, number plate mount, and all illuminated. So this bike is completely MOT compliant, minus those monster exhausts. So they are 101 decibels at tick over and 130 decibels when we are on launch control. So the completely custom electronics unit on this bike is so cool. So I can make this bike do anything I want. So we have launch control and we have the nitrous, which engages after third gear at 3,500 RPM. And we've designed this bike completely in-house to be able to look after itself and to be reliable and to be usable as well. So this bike, you'll have seen it run at the hill at the Goodwood Festival of Speed and also at Salon Privé too. Absolutely stole the show both times, and it's such a sight to behold as well, and it's been one of our most popular bikes and one of our popular builds. However, it's time for us to move on from this monster. So Collecting Cars and myself are collaborating, and we are going to give you the opportunity to be able to purchase this bike for yourself. So I hope you like the video, guys, and I hope you like the little tour of the bike as well, and hopefully me and Collecting Cars will be able to do some more stuff together in the future. So thank you very much, guys.
When it comes to owning one-offs and limited editions, that's something we specialise in at Collecting Cars, but I have to say, of the many bikes that we've listed and sold, this one stands out head and shoulders above the rest. This is a bike whose reputation precedes it. In just a few short years, Thornton Hundred have crafted out for themselves a reputation in the industry that is world-renowned and quite unrivaled. Working closely with Triumph on all their builds, each bike comes with a manufacturer warranty, which is extremely unique in the custom scene. With each Thornton build assembled by hand in their Buckinghamshire base, you can see why people, from social media influencers through to international rugby players, keep coming back. Right, that's a wrap. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. We've certainly had an awesome day down here at Thornton Hundred with Jody and the team and this absolute beast of a bobber. So keep your eyes on the platform on Collecting Cars over the next few weeks as it goes into coming soon and then live on site. I cannot stress highly enough how rare the opportunity is to own a Thornton Hundred motorcycles, let alone up at auction. So yeah, keep an eye on the socials on Thornton Hundred, Collecting Cars. In the meantime, take it easy and we'll catch you on the next one.